Alright, so let's add some contents to our branch. So perhaps the logic step is to add a readme.md file. So from here, let's create this file. Don't forget that if you're using Linux OS, this one is case sensitive, so it's very important to take that in count. So let's use some markdowns tags. For example, this is the first level. Great. So let's add one more level. So, for example, technical details, and from here we can use to do also. For example, proof of concepts. And from here, you walk through of the setup of SSH plus PR plus set. You walk through. This typo of setup of action. Okay, that's enough from now. Great, so let's save this change and let's check the status of our local repository. Okay, so as we can see, there's a new file. Let's stage this one. Very good. So even so, the command was successfully run. We need to configure some information of our Git. Remember, this is the first time that we are trying to create a commit in this VM. So from here, let's add some information of the local user. So in my case, this is the email address, and great. So once we add this information, let's run again the git status. Very good. So awesome. So also let's try to check the git log information. Okay, very good. So as we can see, we have just one commit. Okay, and this is coming from the main branch. Very good. So again, let's try to run the commit. Okay, that's it. So the commit was created successfully. Now let's check again our git log. Yeah. So we have our local commit that is directed to the experimental branch. Very good. So we are ready to push our first update to the main repository, with the difference that this one will be available on the experimental branch. So let's try to run this command, git push dash u origin, then experimental. Okay. Git is asking for our user. Okay. And our password. Of course, this is not the ideal path. Okay. Because at the moment I will type my password, it can be fetched inclusive with the rest or from the rest of the users of my local network. So let's try dummy password, and we got this message. So from with the intention to strong the authentication rules, the use of a password was removed on this date. So we have a different path to accomplish this task, to solve this problem, such as using an authentication key, or in our case, so that we'll be learning in the next video, we will working on the setup process of a secure connection through SSH, with the intention to avoid the use of our credential, and after that try to push our first change. So I'll see you in the next video.